If you look at our financial metrics before and after, and if you look at specifically the parts of our business where we rolled out MicroStrategy, and if you look at the parts of our business where our end users are using this tool, there's a direct correlation from where we were before to a higher profitability where we are today. Sonic is one of the largest automotive retailers across the country. We own 105 stores covering about 25 franchises. We went through a couple of other solutions until we got to MicroStrategy, and with MicroStrategy we were able to take all of that work that we had done in the back to consolidate that information and display it in a manner that users could improve their job, could improve our bottom line, productivity, efficiency, all in a mobile setting. Some of the key elements that came into our decision, number one was mobility. The second was the ability to handle complex and very large amounts of data. Third was it had to have the ability to display data in a fashion that would make it usable for our end users and for our team. The final decision point is literally, the team came to me and said, we have to use this. We've got to get rid of the ones we're using and go with MicroStrategy.
When we began using MicroStrategy to develop some of these applications, it was critical that we made them as a tool to make better decisions. So instead of just being able to look at a report and say, okay, yeah, that's what I did last month, we wanted them to look at that application and say, okay, what can I do differently today?
One of the biggest changes in our business was create an app that we call FIRE, which is Finance and Insurance Reporting Engine. And in our business, finance and insurance is when we sell you products such as warranty or extended service agreements. And so with FIRE, we were able to put everyone's performance on one device. So it was really a scorecard. So literally our F&I per unit numbers have increased dramatically, and it is directly correlated with our rollout of FIRE powered by MicroStrategy.
MicroStrategy has really been one of the better decisions that we've had here at Sonic Automotive. We have gone from on average about $800 to $900 per car sold in products, now upwards of almost $1,100 per car sold. Now that's $200 almost straight to the bottom line. And now not all of that can be attributed to a single app, but through the gamification of F&I and letting these sales associates really see where they stack up and letting their internal competitive nature take over, we've been able to significantly add to the bottom line. That's the bottom line with MicroStrategy and how it's helped Sonic.
With MicroStrategy, we were able to build models that would make decisions centrally and deploy that via the iPad. It really took us from the dark ages to where we, democratized the data.